Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Well, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna paint these interesting plants called Sterculia Lanceolata. Let's get started. Well, this is a fruit and not a flower. I'm painting the fruiting period. This is a type of very interesting plants that's very common in Hong Kong, and I think that they are also quite common in Asia. The red color is never a pure China red. It's a mix of orange color and red at the tip. There is a cousin of this type of fruit trees, which is deeper red in color and the seeds are bigger. That's what some of the artists have painted before, and that's another subject or variations that you can create. And now I'm painting the tree branches with just ink. I use a slightly dry brush for these branches because I just want to have a bit more texture on it. So it is really up to you and how you would like to present the subject. For the leaves, I'm using a large brush to paint. I like to use a large brush for this raw look. And the great thing about the large brush is that the longer you use it, the better it gets. Now I'm painting a bird with orange and ink color. I've got some inquiries about the brushes all the time, and someone asked if I use a different brush for a different color. The answer is no. I use the same small brush for all the colors that I use, and in fact, I've been using the same two brushes that I've been using for over a year now with all the paintings that you've seen so far. So they are still in very good conditions. I think in my next video I'm going to go through my brushes and how to use it again. Please consider subscribing if you have not done so, and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. I've been trying to paint every week. Now I'm finishing the painting with the eye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.